Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert or how to transform your PDF documents into captivating videos. That's super cool. And guess what? You can do this for free with SciSpace. So let me go ahead and show you the feature that allows you to do that. Now, once you're inside SciSpace, on the left hand side, you want to look for the option that says PDF to video. Click on that, guys. Here you need to upload a PDF document. It's absolutely free. I'm going to go ahead and find something here and just simply upload that document. It takes a couple seconds for the document to upload, and once the document is uploaded, you'll be able to continue the process in having that convert into a video. So let's just sit back for a moment and allow this video to be uploaded. As you can see right there, the video is uploaded, and here you can see quickly that it's trying to analyze in the video. As you can see here, this is the document, this is the paper. Here it has the video. Here you can see that the video generation is in progress. So if you hover over it, you can see that is in progress, right? Here it shows a slide, here it shows a video. So this is what it looks like once it is finished. Now here you can see once the PDF file has been uploaded, you'll be able to see where the slides are being created and the video is being generated. So as you can see, if I hover over the video, it's currently in progress. It says it can take up to 1 to 4 minutes to actually generate, so you just need to be patient. But you can see where it shows it creates slides, so you can click on that and you will be taken over to where it shows slides from the document. So I'll go through the document that you have and make slides from it, and then after which it will also show you a video that it's been created. So you just need to be patient and wait for that to create its video so that you'll be able to actually view the video and actually download it as well. So let's just wait for that to complete. Once it is done, we will come back and we'll show you what is done. Keep in mind that this document that I've uploaded is just a basic document. There's nothing much really in this document. I'm going to quickly show you what that looks like. So I'm going to open up this document here, and as you can see, it's just a page with just some few information there. So it actually goes through this document here, this page, and just try to make something out of it, right? But let's wait for the video to done, and once this is done, I'm going to show you what it looks like. Alright guys, now once the video is done, you'll be able to see a play button here that you can play. You just need to click on that and it's going to take you over to a video where you can just simply watch the video. So this is what it has done here. It also shows that it makes like a caption with the text and so forth. And so you will see what it actually does. So it's basically a page document with some captions over it, nothing fancy. So if you're looking for something fancy, then this is not what you get from it. But at least what you get is a document or a video with text and at least caption and sound and so forth. So you can actually listen to that document there. Right, so once you're ready guys, you can always just simply go ahead and click and download it. So just simply click the download button here at the bottom and you'll see that it actually downloads that into MP4 for you. So this is what you get, more, let's say, stripped down version of the document where you have captions and read over voiceover actually that you can, let's say, watch or listen from the document that you have uploaded. Also show some key points and all those good stuff. But that's it guys. That's how you go ahead and create videos from your PDF documents using SciSpace. It's a very basic tool, but it does get the job done. And yeah, you can go ahead and play around with it and see what you can make from it. Interesting stuff.